After a workout, it's important to replenish fluids and provide your body with the necessary nutrients to aid in recovery. Here are some drink options that can help you recover faster after a workout. 1. Water. Staying hydrated is crucial for overall recovery. Plain water should be your primary choice to rehydrate your body. 2. Tart cherry juice. Tart cherry juice has been shown to reduce muscle soreness and inflammation. It contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that can aid in recovery. 3. Coconut water. Coconut water is a natural source of electrolytes, such as potassium and sodium, which can help replenish electrolyte levels and prevent dehydration. 4. Beetroot juice. Beetroot juice is rich in nitrates, which can enhance exercise performance and improve muscle recovery. It promotes blood flow and oxygen delivery to the muscles, aiding in recovery and reducing fatigue. 5. Ginger tea. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties and can help alleviate muscle pain and soreness. Drinking ginger tea after a workout may aid in reducing inflammation and promoting recovery. 6. Turmeric milk. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound with potent anti-inflammatory effects. Adding turmeric to warm milk can create a soothing drink that can help with muscle recovery and reduce exercise-induced inflammation. Remember to choose options that align with your taste preferences and any dietary restrictions you may have. All the best for your workout.